Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is designed for players seeking a perfect balance of power, control, and comfort. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate player, this paddle delivers consistent performance to help elevate your game. Built with Head's advanced technology, the Radical Elite features a fiberglass hitting surface, providing excellent touch and responsiveness. This material enhances power while maintaining precision, allowing for better shot placement and control during intense rallies. The ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable feel in hand, reducing strain during long matches. The optimized weight distribution offers stability and maneuverability, making it easier to react to fast-paced shots while maintaining accuracy. With a thicker polypropylene honeycomb core, the paddle absorbs vibrations, giving players a soft yet solid feel on every hit. This helps with improved shot consistency, making dinks, volleys, and smashes more effective. Designed with Head's signature radical color scheme, the paddle has a modern and sleek look that stands out on the court. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, whether you're playing recreationally or in competitive matches. For those seeking a high-quality pickleball paddle that provides a mix of power, control, and comfort, the Head Radical Elite is an excellent choice. Its well-balanced design and forgiving sweet spot make it ideal for players looking to improve their game without sacrificing power or precision. If you're ready to step up your pickleball performance, the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is a great option to help you dominate the court with confidence. Number 2. Onix Graphite Z5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is crafted for players who seek ultimate control, power, and comfort on the court. Featuring graphite and carbon fiber construction, this paddle delivers a responsive feel, ensuring precision on every shot, whether you're executing soft dinks or powerful smashes. The graphite face provides a smooth, consistent hitting surface, improving ball control and allowing for a refined touch during fast exchanges. Meanwhile, the carbon fiber core offers durability and optimal power transfer, making it ideal for players who need both power and precision in their game. One of the standout features of the Mod Z5 is the cushion comfort grip. Designed to reduce hand fatigue, this grip ensures a secure and comfortable hold, even during long matches. The cushion surface minimizes vibration, providing extra support for your wrist and arm, promoting a more comfortable playing experience without compromising control. At 8 ounces, the paddle is perfectly balanced for players who want a mix of power and maneuverability. Its wide body ensures a larger sweet spot, which enhances consistency, making it easier to execute accurate shots even on off-center hits. With its sophisticated design and sleek aesthetic, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 looks as good as it performs. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a great choice for both recreational and competitive players. For players looking to elevate their pickleball game with a paddle that delivers high performance, comfort, and control, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is a top-tier choice. Its graphite face, carbon fiber core, and comfortable grip make it one of the best paddles for serious players. Number 3. Joola Ben Johns Perseus 3S. The Joola Ben Johns Perseus 3S Pickleball Paddle is a game-changing option designed for players who demand advanced performance and cutting-edge technology. Featuring propulsion core technology and charged carbon surface technology, this paddle combines power, control, and precision to help you elevate your game to new heights. One of the standout features of the Perseus 3S is its elongated body shape, which provides a larger sweet spot, making it easier to execute accurate and powerful shots. This shape also offers better maneuverability, allowing for quicker reactions and greater control over your shots, whether you're hitting fast drives or delicate dinks. The propulsion core inside the paddle enhances ball responsiveness, ensuring optimal power and feel with each strike. The charged carbon surface technology delivers an incredibly durable and consistent hitting surface, allowing players to achieve precise shots with excellent spin. Whether you're playing in singles or doubles, the Perseus 3S offers a versatile experience suited for all types of play. Another innovative feature is the NFC chip, which enables contactless access to exclusive content about your paddle's performance and more. This integration brings modern technology into the game, allowing players to engage with their equipment in exciting new ways. Additionally, the paddle is UPAA certified, meeting official tournament standards. Approved by professional players like Ben Johns, the Joola Perseus 3S is UPA, United Pickleball Association, approved, ensuring it's ready for competitive play. The combination of top-tier materials, performance-enhancing features, and advanced technology makes the Perseus 3S one of the best paddles on the market for players looking for a competitive edge. For players seeking superior performance, comfort, and technology, the Joola Ben Johns Perseus 3S is the ultimate paddle to dominate the court. Number 4. Tangerine Santorini. The Tangerine Pickleball paddle is a high-performance paddle designed to deliver both power and accuracy, making it an excellent choice for novice and professional players alike. With its vibrant colors, it stands out on the court while offering exceptional performance that will elevate your game. Crafted with a fiberglass surface, the Tangerine Pickleball paddle provides a responsive hitting surface that maximizes ball control and spin. This ensures precise shots, whether you're executing a powerful smash or a delicate drop shot. The fiberglass face improves durability, allowing you to play with confidence in both casual games and more intense competitive matches. The lightweight honeycomb core enhances the paddle's maneuverability, providing excellent control and comfort during extended play. With its well-balanced design, the paddle ensures a solid feel with minimal vibration, reducing strain on your wrist and arm. Whether you're at the net or deep in the baseline, the Tangerine paddle's lightweight construction makes it easy to handle fast exchanges and swift reactions. Designed for elite power and accuracy, this paddle is USAPA approved, ensuring it meets the standards for official play in tournaments. Its larger sweet spot offers added forgiveness, making it a great option for players who are still refining their technique but also ideal for seasoned players looking for consistency. In addition to its performance, the Tangerine Pickleball paddle boasts a bold and eye-catching color scheme that adds a stylish flair to your game. Its combination of durability, lightweight design, and vibrant look makes it a standout choice for anyone serious about pickleball. For players looking for elite power, accuracy, and a fun, vibrant design, the Tangerine Pickleball paddle is the perfect blend of performance and style. Number 5. 60 Quartz Pickleball Paddle. The Quartz Pickleball paddle offers a perfect combination of affordability and premium performance, making it an excellent choice for players of all levels. Whether you're just starting out or an experienced player, this paddle delivers exceptional quality without breaking the bank. Crafted with raw carbon, the Quartz paddle boasts a sturdy and durable hitting surface that enhances both power and control. The carbon material provides consistent ball response, offering precision on every shot. From fast drives to soft dinks, the raw carbon face ensures optimal performance across a variety of playing styles. The paddle features a lightweight and well-balanced design, which promotes superior maneuverability. This ensures that players can easily execute quick reflexes and precise shots, whether at the net or from the baseline. The paddle's ergonomic grip adds to the comfort, reducing hand strain during long matches and allowing for better control during fast exchanges. While affordable, the Quartz Pickleball paddle doesn't compromise on quality. Its premium construction and raw carbon surface make it durable enough for regular play, ensuring long-lasting performance. Whether you're playing in recreational matches or more competitive games, this paddle will serve you well without feeling too heavy or too light. With its sleek, modern design, the Quartz paddle looks as good as it plays. Its simple yet stylish appearance is perfect for players who want a high-performing paddle that complements their on-court persona. For those seeking an affordable yet premium paddle with raw carbon construction, the Quartz Pickleball paddle offers a great mix of durability, control, and power for an exceptional pickleball experience.